In this video, we are going to solve this equation by Cardan's method. So this one is equation 1. To solve this one by Cardan's method, we let x to be p plus q. Now we cube both sides. P plus q whole thing cube, and that is equal to p cube plus 3p square q plus 3p q square plus q cube. Now this one is equal to 3p q into p plus q plus q cube. What is p plus q? It is equal to x. Take these terms to the side. We have minus 3pq x minus p cube plus q cube equal to 0. This one is equation 2. Now we compare equation 1 and 2. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, we see that pq is equal to, what is pq? From here we can write this one as minus 3 into 2. Is it? Yes? Okay. So that means from there we see that pq is minus 2. pq is minus 2. And then what about p cube plus q cube? It is equal to, and for this one we can write it as minus into minus 7. So our p cube plus q cube is equal to minus 7. This one is 3. And then we cube this one. Then we get minus 8. Okay. Now these two, p cubed and q cube, are the roots. They are the roots of this quadratic equation. Of a quadratic equation t square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots t plus product of the roots equal to 0. What is sum of the roots? I have said that p cube and q cube are the roots of this equation. Sum of the roots is minus 7t. And product of the roots is minus 8 equal to 0. So from here we have plus 7t minus 8 equal to 0. Then we shall solve this one by splitting the middle term. Plus 8t minus t minus 8 equal to 0. Then we have t into t plus 8 minus 1 into t plus 8 equal to 0. And then we have t minus 1 into t plus 8 equal to 0. T is equal to 1 and t is equal to minus 8. Since these two are the roots of this quadratic equation, then p cube is equal to 1 and q cube is equal to minus 8. Then the values of p are what? They are, the cube roots of 1 are 1 omega and omega square. And then those of q are what? Minus 2 omega and minus 2 omega square, where omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. And omega cube is 1. Since from the beginning we have seen that the product of P and Q is equal to what? Minus 2. Minus 2. Then when we choose P to be 1 or Q should be minus 2, so that PQ is equal to minus 2. Now when P is equal to omega, what should be the value of Q such that PQ is equal to minus 2? It should be minus 2 omega square. How? Because omega into minus 2 omega square, we have minus 2 omega cube, but omega cube is equal to 1, so we have minus 2. Yes? And then when P is equal to omega square or Q should be minus 2 omega. Why? Because when we multiply omega square with minus 2 omega, then we get minus 2 omega cube, and that is equal to minus 2. Okay? Finally, therefore, this one, P plus Q from the beginning, this one gives this expression gives the solutions of this equation, and they are when P is 1 and Q is minus 2, then we get minus 1. So one of the solutions is minus 1. And then when P is omega and Q is minus 2 omega square, then we have omega minus 2 omega square. And when P is omega square and Q is minus 2 omega, then we have omega square minus 2 omega. So where for this one we find the value 2 omega square. What is omega? It is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 2 omega square. What is omega square? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Then solve this one. We have minus half plus I root 3 by 2, and then here we have plus 1, and then we have plus I root 3. So if we solve this, we get half. And then for this one, we have plus I 3 root 3 by 2. So in a similar way, for this one, in a similar way, put the value of omega square and omega respectively, we get equal to half minus I 3 root 3 by 2.